take this cover off. I'll show you in a minute how to take it off. Once you got those out, then you have two more screws right here. It's under the carpet. It's gonna be half. And you take this one out, and then one on this side. It's like covered right here, right there. You take that one out too. Also, there's number 3 right in here. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. So you just kind of wiggle it around and take it off. And there's your engine. Voila. So to take this part off, you kind of have to go up, move the seats back. So what you want to do is take this off by removing this wing nut. Take this lid off. Take the old filter out, and then put the new one on, just like that. Put it on.